if you are in the S&P or indice market, there's going to be rollover this week. So if you have current positions, you have to close it, roll it over into the following next contract. I think that's March contract. What's up, everybody? Glenn here. Reed. We got the holiday spirit on. We're entering what, the 13 days, 12 days of Christmas? What do you call that? Last 2 weeks?
2 weeks till Christmas.
Yes, we are in the festive spirit, coming to you live for our weekly trading watch list, where we go over the opportunities that we have or seen, and go over those positions that we're currently in. Try to set up the market as best as possible and be prepared for things that might happen. So with that being said, let me go jump into my charts. Where is my chart? Share this. You can see that, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh shoot, remove this. Okay, cool. Let me go start with the S&P, the ES, daily chart here. So you can see we had a nice pull. We hit a new high, all-time high, 47.40. Price didn't like that. It bounced back all the way down to about 4,500, 200-point drop, and with just over two strong days. That's all it took. Well, 3 actually. We got this one big green bar. Price tried to go back down, and it couldn't close before to create this low, and so we had 2 strong bull bars, and it is continuing. Look, we closed at 47.04 on Friday, which is a good indication that the bullish strength is there. So I am long in this position. You're going to see the NASDAQ with very similar, NASDAQ and Dow with similar price action here. Although the NASDAQ did not breach this previous high of 16,414. I'm still long here because I'm anticipating that it's going to follow the other indices. So that's NASDAQ, and then let's look at the Dow. The Dow still has quite a bit to go, but we did break this previous resistance or previous high of 35,788. So once you broke that, we tried this level. If we zoom into this level, so let's do like a 4-hour. So we had this level of like 35,800. We had the 1 test here, 2 tests, 3 we broke, but the strength wasn't strong enough, so we just dropped, right? Then we visited this level again weeks later, and we tried touching it, tried to pierce through, nope. Touching it. But the good part with this price, when you're doing price action, analyzing that kind of stuff, sorry about that, you have to watch, right? It's not creating any lower lows, but it's not creating any higher highs, so it's straight in a consolidation period, right? And depending on what kind of strategy you got, you got to be aware of that kind of stuff, what kind of trading environment you're in. So you want to be on the right side at the end of the day. Let's go into the Forex market. Let's look at odd dollar. I took a position to go long here. We made a new low, bounced up, slight pullback. It's not a real deep pullback, but it looks like strength. The tides might be turning here. What is the other one I had? Kiwi or Euro Pound. I just entered a new one. This is a 4-hour chart. We closed at a previous high, above the range, and then price is pulling back here. I did set a stop, and then I'm just gonna go with the overall price trend. So if you zoom out to daily, even though it's a sharp move up and we got a sharp move down, For me, longs are still in play. Let's look at pound kiwi. Daily chart here. I think I was in this trade a few weeks ago. I was able to catch some moves going up, and then it whipped me out. Price whipped me out right within these bars here. But overall, we held this level here, and that's for me. The trend did not break yet, so I am putting in a small position and watching my risk there. Let's see, odd dollar, that was 3. And then yeah, let's look at back to futures on the Bitcoin side. What's happening there? Currently trading at $49,045 right here. We'll see. We'll see if it respects this previous low of 47,800. As from a day trading stance, I did get the signal to go short. So I have a very small position here, even though I'm still a long-term holder in the market as to go long, to anticipate higher prices. But I'm just taking advantage of the smaller movements from the overall bullish market. Let's go back to the monthly chart, and you see here, it's in a pullback right now, but we'll see how price reacts, how the market reacts to that level, and see. So that wraps up the watch list from me. You can pass it over to you.
Right on. Level 2 screen. Okay, here we go. I like your play on Bitcoin, man. I like how you day traded that and then you had that long-term bias on it. It's really awesome.
Yep.
Capturing both sides of the positions. All right, so for me, a really quick watch list. It's just 2 pairs. It's odd USD and Euro odd. So this is the first one we're looking at. This is Australian dollar USD or United States dollar. I'm waiting for this level to break above, just an entry order above current price fluctuations. So let's see, like it's creating a just a channel here, so it's just correcting. But I like the levels. I like where the EMA is at, waiting for it to break out of the pattern. And then Euro odd is doing a nice pullback on the 15-minute and the 1 hour. What I would like to see here is this 4 hour have another similar bearish momentum below 200 EMA. That way I know that it has broken to the downside, but it may not happen yet. That's what I'm looking for a strong bearish close below the EMAs. But we've been in an overall bear run, so I like it. I'm still bear bias on Euro odd. And so that's pretty much sums up the 2 trades I have. Really easy move. I was sticking with things that stick out to me the most, and these things kind of just popped at me for these positions. So that's all I got for my positions. So real quick and easy watch list.
Short and tight. Love it.
Yep.
Cool. As we head up to this, what, 1 full week of trading, and then next week is next week already?
The following week. The
Yeah,
following week.
following week, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Look at the calendar, yo. Yes. So this coming week, we're gonna have a full trading day, week, 5 days. Then the following week will be a shorter trading week, less volume because it is the holidays, it is Christmas. So anticipate that from a trading standpoint, guys and girls. Another thing for futures, if you are in the S&P or indice market, there's going to be rollover this week. So if you have current positions, you have to close it, roll it over into the following next contract. I think that's March contract. So December's ending this week, roll it over to March. So that's something to look out for overall. But I think, yeah, as far as the last 2 weeks of this month is going to be fairly light because of the holidays. So keep in mind So yeah, like just trade normally this week and see what happens, you know. But then again, we don't know what's gonna happen, right? It could
Yeah.
be super volatile during the week
Yeah.
of Christmas. We don't know, but you want to be able to be open and available for the opportunities if they come, right? So, but if you totally intentionally just like, yeah, you know, the last 2 weeks I'm not gonna touch the market, totally fine, totally fine, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, and as far as that, going for us at HTA, we're gonna have one more topic Tuesday, or have two more topic Tuesdays this year, and then the last week of December we won't be having a topic Tuesday because let's take a break, start the year strong. We have lots of crazy cool content ready for you guys, upcoming. You know, the trading approach course is still, it's live right now. Anyone can join in. Join our HTA Mighty Network. That's available for everyone and anyone who wants to start. We are also working on awesome different courses like the technical course and the Road to Funding course. Be on the lookout for that. That's coming to a computer near you. But as far as that, you guys have an awesome week. You know, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget.